Introducing the Mardingtop 75L Molle Hiking Internal Frame Backpack. This hiking backpack with hydration compartment and can hold a 3 L bladder. The tube is fed through the top side of the bag near grab handle. The ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. Whether you're trekking through rugged terrain or exploring the wilderness, this backpack is designed to meet the demands of the most avid hikers. Comfort is paramount with its adjustable padded shoulder straps and hip belt, ensuring a customized fit for long-lasting comfort. Built with a sturdy internal frame, this pack supports heavy loads while maintaining stability, making it ideal for extended journeys. This is a military tactical backpack that you can hang on tools, trekking poles, tents, sleeping bags, and other outdoor gear by the Molle system. A rifle also can be hanged with the side strap and side pocket. The Molle system allows for modular attachments, providing versatility to organize gear efficiently. Never worry about unexpected weather conditions with the integrated rain cover that keeps your gear dry and protected. Crafted from durable, water-resistant material, this pack keeps your essentials safe in unpredictable environments. Its spacious main compartment and hydration bladder compatibility ensure you stay hydrated and organized throughout your journey. Whether you're embarking on a day hike or a multi-day expedition, the Mardingtop 75L hiking backpack is your reliable companion. This camping backpack with 2 side pockets and 2 bigger pockets that can hold water bottle or camping and survival gear. The backpack has large zipped access at front that can quickly access to the main compartment. Mardingtop, empowering your adventure. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss a new video.